The Imarku Nonstick Skillet is a fantastic addition to any kitchen, and it boasts several features that make cooking a breeze. This 12-inch frying pan is perfect for making omelets, frying bacon, and so much more. The non-stick surface is like a dream, preventing food from sticking and making cleanup incredibly easy. You will spend less time scrubbing and more time enjoying your delicious meals. This imarku non-stick skillet also features a cool stainless steel handle. This handle stays comfortable to touch even when the pan is hot, ensuring safe and easy maneuvering on your cooktops. Plus, this versatile pan is oven safe, giving you even more cooking options. It's a reliable solution for various cooking needs, whether you are a beginner or one of the professionals. Many stars would agree that this pan is a winner in terms of usability and design. For anyone seeking ideal gifts for someone who loves to cook, the Imarku Nonstick Skillet is a wonderful choice. It combines practicality with convenience, and its easy cleanup feature is a true bonus. This Imarku Nonstick Skillet is designed with the user in mind, and it performs beautifully. It's a dependable pan from one of the trusted brands, and it will quickly become a go-to in any kitchen, making cooking less of a chore and more of a joy. Pros: cool handle, oven safe, ideal gift 12-inch size, for omelets, stainless steel handle. Even heating, durable build, versatile use. Cons: could be heavy for some, non-stick might not last, potential for uneven heating, cleaning. Could be tricky, not suitable for all stovetops, durability is a concern, coating may scratch easily, price might be high. Features: non-stick surface 12-inch size, skillet design, egg and omelet pan, cool stainless steel handle, easy to clean, oven safe, ideal for gifts, durable build, even heating. This Imarku 12-inch frying pan has a non-stick surface, so food won't stick easily. It's a skillet, which is good for eggs and omelets. The handle is made of stainless steel and stays cool to touch. It's easy to wash after cooking, and you can even use it in the oven. This pan is built to last, heats food evenly, and would make a nice gift. The 12-inch Imarku nonstick frying pan is designed for making omelets and other versatile cooking tasks. It features a cool stainless steel handle and a durable build that aims for even heating. This pan is also oven safe and makes for an ideal gift. However, some users might find it heavy, and there are concerns that the non-stick coating may not last very long or could scratch easily. Additionally, there's a potential for uneven heating. Cleaning might be tricky for some, and it may not be compatible with all types of stovetops, with the price possibly being on the higher side.